स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। दशमी कक्षायाः शेमुषी पाठ्यपुस्तकं तत्र सुभाषितानि इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। अद्यतनं सुभाषितं बहु रोचकम् अस्ति। अद्यतनं सुभाषितं पठामः। मृगा मृगैः सङ्गमनुव्रजन्ति। मृगा मृगैः सङ्गमनुव्रजन्ति। गावश्च गोभिः तुरगास्तुरङ्गैः। गावश्च गोभिः तुरगास्तुरङ्गैः। मूर्खाश्च मूर्खैः सुधियः सुधीभिः। मूर्खाश्च मूर्खैः सुधियः सुधीभिः। समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यम्। समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यम्. As we know, English proverb says, "Tell me about your friends, I will tell about you." So the same thing is very well explained in this Subhashita. So always our friendship is very important. Our friendship reflects our own character. This is what we are going to learn from this Subhashita. As naturally we see, mrugaha mrugaihi sangamanuvrajanti. Deers always walk with the deers. They will be in the group of deers only. Gavascha gobihi. If you see cows, cows will go with the cows only. Turagaha turangaihi. Horse will be with the horse only. Murkhascha murkhaihi. Foolish people want the company of fools only. Sudhiyaha sudhibihi. The intelligent people want the group of intelligent only. Why it is? Samanashilam. If the same feather, birds of the same feather fly together, as we say. Samanashilam. If the character is the same, vyasaneshu, if the habits are the same, there friendship grows. Friendship grows there where the habits are same and the character is the same, attitude is the same. This is what we have to learn. So like this, we have to learn that. So if our friends are bad, we should decide that we should make entire group better. Padachedam pashyamaha. Now we will see the padacheda of this shloka. Padacheda comes like this. Mrugaha mrugaihi sangam anuvrajanti. Gavaha cha gobhihi turagaha turangaihi. Murkhaha cha मूर्खैहि सुधियः सुधीभिः इति अत्र पदच्छेदः सम्पादितः. पुनरेकवारं पठामि. मृगाः मृगैः सङ्गम् अनुव्रजन्ति. गावः च गोभिः तुरगाः तुरङ्गैः. मूर्खाः च मूर्खैः सुधियः सुधीभिः इति अत्र पदच्छेदः. इदानीम् अन्वयं पश्यामः. पदच्छेदानन्तरम् अन्वयं पश्यामः. अन्वयः एवम् अस्ति. मृगाः मृगैः सह सङ्गम् अनुव्रजन्ति. मृगाः मृगैः सह. गावः च गोभिः सह. तुरगाः तुरङ्गैः सह. मूर्खाः च मूर्खैः सह. सुधियः सुधीभिः सह सङ्गम् अनुव्रजन्ति. यतः समानशीलव्यसनेषु सख्यं भवति. अत्र सङ्गम् अनुव्रजन्ति इति निष्कासयन्तु. मृगाः इति स्थापयन्तु. इदानीं स्पष्टतया पुनरेकवारम् अन्वयं पठामि. मृगाः मृगैः सह गावः गोभिः सह, तुरगाः तुरंगैः सह, मूर्खाः च मूर्खैः सह, सुधियः सुधीभिः सह संगम् अनुव्रजन्ति। यतः समान शील व्यसनेषु सख्यं भवति। डियर्स विथ डियर्स, cows with cows, horse with horse, fools with fools, intelligents with intelligents make friendship. Why? Because samanam, equal, sheelam, character, equal character are the same character, same attitude, and vyasaneshu, same habits. Sakhyam bhavati, make the friendship. If your friend is interested in football, you will be talking only about the football. If he is interested in reading novels, you will be talking about the novels only. Like this, the friendship will grow. Let us see the shabdarthas now. Shabdartham pashyamaha. Shabdarthaः एवं सन्ति। मृगाः, मृगाः नाम हरिणः। संगम, संगम नाम मैत्रीम्, कंपनी। अनुव्रजन्ति, अनु इति उपसर्गः। अनु नाम पश्चात्, व्रजन्ति नाम गच्छन्ति, पश्चात् गच्छन्ति अथवा पृष्ठतः गच्छन्ति, गोइंग बिहाइंड देम और फॉलोइंग देम। गावः, गावः नाम धेनवः, धेनुः नाम गौः, गावः धेनवः कौस्। तुरगः, त्वरितं गच्छति इति तुरगः, वेगेन गच्छति इति तुरगः। तुरगः नाम अश्वः। बिजापुरस्य समीपे तोरवी लक्ष्मीनरसिंहस्वामी देवस्थानम् अस्ति, देवालयः। तोरवी, तोरवी नाम कम्? त्वरितं वितरति इति तोरवी, अर्थात् तत्र नृसिंहः त्वरितं वरं ददाति इति तोरवी। एवं तुरगः, तुरगः नाम अश्वः, हार्स्। अनन्तरम् अनन्तर शब्दाः एवं सन्ति। मूर्खः नाम मूढः, फूल। सुधियः पंडितः, इंटेलिजेंट। शीलं, शीलं नाम चरित्रं, शीलं परं भूषणम् इति वदामः। व्यसनं नाम दुरभ्यासः, बैड हैबिट्स। सख्यं, फ्रेंडशिप, फ्रेंडशिप विल बी देयर। अनन्तरं वयं पश्यामः अत्र सन्धयः के सन्ति। अस्मिन् श्लोके के सन्धयः सन्ति। मृगाः मृगैः, मृगा मृगैः, अत्र मृगाः अधिकं मृगैः, मृगा मृगैः। अनन्तरं गावश्च, गावः अधिकं च, गावश्च, गावश्च गावः अधिकं च। तुरगास्तुरंगैः, तुरगाः अधिकं तुरंगैः, तुरगास्तुरंगैः। मूर्खाश्च, मूर्खाश्च मूर्खाः अधिकं च। पुनरेकवारं पश्यामः। मृगा मृगैः, मृगाः अधिकं मृगैः। विसर्गः, विसर्गसन्धिः अस्ति, अत्र विसर्गस्य लोपः अस्ति। विसर्ग इज एलिमिनेटेड. Why it is eliminated? Before the visarga, if a is there, then visarga will be eliminated. Mruga, you can find a there, that's why the visarga is eliminated. Gavascha, gavaha adhikam cha. As we have discussed, after the visarga, if cha, cha, sha comes, the visarga will become sha. Gavaha adhikam cha, the cha has come, that's why it has become sha. Gavaha adhikam cha, gavascha. Turagastурангайhi, turagaha adhikam turangaihi. Turagaha, after Visarga, if Sa, Ta, Tha is there, then Visarga will become what? Sa. That's why Turagaha adikam turangaihi, Turagasturangaihi. If now the doubt comes to the mind, what is the doubt? That in the first example, my dear sir, you told that if the before the Visarga A is there, now Visarga will be eliminated. Now in Turagaha, A is there, but you are telling it will be the Sa. Yes, it is true. Whereas second formula is stronger than the first formula. Understood? So that means you are very happy with your parents. Is it? When you are happy with the parents, you will not mind anybody. Your parents are coming on second Sunday and you are sleeping on the lap of your mummy. Your friend goes there. Will you get up? No. But in the same place, principal will come. Entire family will get up. Is it? So that is the stronger conditions. So Turagasturangaihi, whenever Sa, Sha, Cha, these are Sa, Sha, Sha, these are all the stronger formulas. So it will work there. Is it clear? Yes. Murkhascha, same here also. Murkhaha adikam cha, murkhascha, Visarga is becoming Sha. Murkhaha adikam cha, murkhascha. Punarekavaram patami. Mruga mrugaihi, mrugaha adikam mrugaihi. Gavascha, gavaha adikam cha. Turagasturangaihi, turagaha adikam turangaihi. Murkhascha, murkhaha adikam cha. Idanim chitram drushtva vayam shlokam avagacchamaha. To make you better understanding, I have made a presentation of the picture. Mruga mrugai sangamanuvrajanti. See, always deers move with the deers. See, even they jump, run and stay, they will be with the deers only. You might have observed. Mrugaha mrugaihi sangamanuvrajanti. Anantaram gavascha gobihi. See, cows are grazing together. You can see the cows grazing together. Yes. Next, Turagasturangaihi, horse. See, you are all fond of horse. See, horse run together. Turagaha turangaihi. Murkhaha murkhaihi. Fools will be with fools. What a beautiful example it is. So, this fool is cutting the wood, but still people are supporting him and sitting in the branch. Is it? So, murkhaha murkhaihi. Even though they know that they are going to fall, they don't leave each other, because that's why they are called murkhaha. Murkhaha murkhaihi eva. Sudhiyaha sudhibihi. As I told, if you have a habit of reading the novels, you will find a friend who is very interested in reading the novels. If you are interested to go to the library in the free periods, you will find a friend who is fond of reading in the library. That's why always find the friends of the same taste. Murkhaha murkhaihi saha bhavanti, murkhaha murkhaihi sangamanuvrajanti, sudhiyaha sudhibhihi sangamanuvrajanti. Next one you see, samana shila vyasaneshu sakhyam, the great friendship. See, here you can find Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni together. Birds of the same wings fly together. They are all having the same taste and interest. So same field, astronauts, even though they are from the different countries, Mangalyaan, Gaganyaan, they are together because of their tastes. All the officers, young officers passing out from IMA, you can feel them. So their friendship will be always very thick throughout their career, because they are of the same tastes. If your tastes and if your habits are same, you will have a strong friendship always. I hope all the Sainik School cadets are going to prove their friendship. You will be the best friends available in your life. Throughout life, you will be the best friends. The best gift you get in Sainik School is your friendship. Be a good friend. Be honest always. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam, Sanmitrani Bhavantu. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.